Hi guys, so this is Grace again, and for today's video we are here again at the mountains. We gonna get some java plum leaf together with my friends. They plant a lot of bananas on this one here. So one of our neighbor is the owner of this banana, and kira oy. There's a lot of banana tree here. There's no fruit yet. Need to be careful because the soil is slippery. The ground is so slippery. It's coconut, guys. Seedlings of a coconut tree. Okay. This dog here go with us. So last time the brown dog he go with us. So this time the white one now. So the owner of that is my friend. Naday, oh, buko. It be good because I know it be very sweet, but we not own that one. One of our neighbor owns that. Okay. Coconut. Ha? Kinsa man yung coconut? It's nice, guys. So grainy here. Ay, diri man tutong giarian day, no? Bigas side. Nangumpay ka, nanguan ka ba? So nice. The weather today is very nice too, and the problem is no wind. We can't feel the breeze. You can hear the sounds of the bird. We're in the jungle, guys. In the jungle. So we're gonna go to the other side of the mountains because there's a lots of java plum tree to the other side, and we're gonna get more java plum leaf because my friend is also doing some like tobacco. She gonna put some tobacco on the java plum leaf, and she gonna sell it to the market. And one of my friend also, that's her business. She's the one who buy it from the other people who make the tobacco using the java plum leaf. So that's one of their daily they do for living here. Most of the people here in our community, that's what they do every day. They gonna go to the mountains and get some java plum leaf because mostly in the mountains there's a lot of java plum tree. So most of our neighbors, that's what they're doing every day, and they're gonna sell it. You can sell also directly the java plum leaf per sack. I think 300 pesos per sack, almost $5, I think. So it's not really bad because if you collect a lot per day. You're gonna sell it. You make lots of money on it. But sometimes there's no dry java plum leaf. We're gonna get the dry leaf of the java plum leaf that is turning brown. Because if it's green, still green, it's not okay because it's supposed to be color brown. No, there's a mango tree there. So we're gonna relax here for a few minutes first. Need to cool down.
Empty coconut.
So we have some buko here, guys. My friend is hungry, so we get some buko here. The coconut tree. And we're gonna get more later.
More walking to come.
Some of our neighbor, they just give it to the other people also, especially when they're very thirsty. We just grab some buko on the coconut tree. There's no choice. Giday ka lang na. So, because the owner also is live far from here. So we're gonna continue walking.
Anang hawan sa lambutit na rin. May kaldero, pwede tayo magluto.
Luto tayo. May pala datag saging. Atong gituba ito tong saging. Datag saging ginamos. Sunod ba, no? Sunod. Maglamaw po ito. Magdatag gatas, condense.
Asa dire?
Oh.
Oh.
Yung magdatag saging ba? Maglutoon daan dito niya. Magdala rata gamay container para butong niya. Gatas.
Oh. Kalma. Ano ba niya? Gaanani ka gahapon katong ga legging ay kakuan ka short kag mubo.
Nasamot na siya to dong. Wag na mahitso. Magkikit-ikit guro. Magkikit-ikit guro. Ikit-ikit gani kag hapon. So we are here. And look at the nice view. That's Bagawinis there down there. Going to Valle Hermoso. And my friend is over this side here. They're getting some java plum leaf. So this one over here on this side, there's a road. They're going to Canlaon City. So they are over there down there. Get some java plum leaf. That's Mount Canlaon volcano there. There, that's Mount Canlaon volcano. You can see the mountains of Negros Oriental here from the distance. Look at that beautiful view, guys. So I just relax here for now while waiting for my friend. They go down there because there's a lot of java plum tree down there and they're gonna get more java plum leaf. So as you can see, it's so nice. So that's that mountain there. That's where we been last time. That mountain there, that pointed mountain. We've been there last time. So we really enjoyed our morning here. It's already 9 a.m. and it's so nice, as you can see, so greeny, so peaceful here, guys. You can hear the sounds of the bird. It's nice because I have a strong signal on here at the top of the mountains. It'd be nice we put the antenna here. You can hear also the sounds of the vehicles from Canlaon City going to Canlaon City. There's a lots of vehicles there down there. That's the road over there. There's a road going to Canlaon City, back and forth to San Carlos and Vallehermoso. It's so nice. There's some people also climbing here to get some Java plum leaf. They live there in Ulay, the next barangay. So I'm not alone here because I have a company. Has a dog there. One of my friend owns that. They go with us. I think he tried to protect me while I'm alone here. That's Java plum tree. So there's guava tree here, but it's not ready yet. It's not ripe. There's guava here. Still small. It's not ready to eat. It's just so peaceful. We also brought some snacks in case that we're hungry. I have some sandwich and some cookies because there's no store here. It's nice. So we're gonna headed home soon when my friend go back here. We're gonna headed home. They're gonna get some wood also while they are here to make fire to use for cooking. As you can see over there, that's Bagawinis, the other side. Down there. Going to Bagawinis. So I think that's all for today, guys, and I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for supporting my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support and for your generosity. See you on my next video, and I will update on my husband's YouTube channel, my cousin's legs. I'm gonna update it later. I'm gonna do some video on my husband's YouTube channel. So see you guys on my next video. So God bless us all.